Hey everyone, welcome to Easy Talk English channel.
Hi guys, we're really happy you're here with us today.
My name is John.
And I'm Emma.
And today, we're going to talk about something simple but very fun.
Yes, something we all love.
Breakfast!
Yes, favorite breakfast foods.
So Emma, how's your morning going today?
Pretty good. I feel a little sleepy, to be honest.
Same here. Did you eat breakfast?
I did. I had something quick.
Oh yeah? What did you eat?
Just toast and a banana. And coffee. Always coffee.
Coffee is not optional, right?
Never. What about you?
I had eggs and toast and more coffee.
Of course. You need energy to talk a lot today.
Exactly.
So, John, let me ask you, what is your favorite breakfast food?
That's a hard question. I love many things.
Me too. It's hard to choose just one.
But if I have to pick, I think I'll say pancakes.
Oh, pancakes. That's a good one.
Yeah, warm pancakes with syrup, maybe some butter melting on top.
That sounds so good right now.
And sometimes I add fruit, like strawberries or bananas.
Nice. That makes it feel a little healthy.
Yeah, just a little.
I also love pancakes, but I think my favorite is eggs.
Eggs, simple and classic.
Yes, I like scrambled eggs, soft and warm.
Do you add anything to them?
Sometimes cheese, sometimes a little salt and pepper.
Sounds good.
And sometimes I eat eggs with toast.
That's a perfect combination. You know, when I was a kid, breakfast was very important in my house.
Really? Same here.
My mom always said breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
Yes, my mom said that too.
And she made big breakfasts on weekends.
What kind of food?
Pancakes, eggs, and bacon, sometimes even waffles.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
Yeah, it was special. We didn't have that every day.
Same. On weekdays, I just had cereal most of the time.
Oh yeah, cereal. I forgot about that.
Cereal was my easy breakfast. Just pour milk and eat.
Quick and simple.
And sweet too. I loved sweet cereal as a kid.
Me too, like chocolate cereal.
Yes, or ones with little marshmallows.
Not very healthy.
Not at all, but very fun.
Do you still eat cereal now?
Not really. Maybe sometimes.
Same here. Now I want something more filling.
Yeah, something that gives you energy.
Like eggs or oatmeal.
Oh, oatmeal. That's another good one. Do you like oatmeal, John?
I do. It's warm and soft, good for cold mornings.
Yes, exactly. I like to add fruit to my oatmeal.
Like what?
Bananas, blueberries, sometimes honey.
That sounds healthy.
It is, and it makes me feel good.
I should eat oatmeal more often.
You should. It's easy to make, too.
You know what I don't like for breakfast?
What?
Very heavy food.
Like what?
Like big burgers or something.
Oh yeah, that's too much in the morning.
I feel too full and sleepy.
Same. I need something light but filling.
Exactly.
What about drinks? What do you like to drink in the morning?
Coffee, of course.
Of course.
Sometimes orange juice, too.
Oh, I love orange juice.
It's fresh and sweet.
And it wakes you up.
Yeah, a little bit.
I usually drink coffee, but sometimes tea.
Tea is nice, too.
Especially when I want something calm.
Yeah, coffee is more strong.
Exactly.
Do you ever skip breakfast?
Sometimes when I'm very busy.
Same here.
But I don't like skipping it.
Me neither. I feel tired when I don't eat.
Yes, me too. No energy.
And then I eat too much later.
That's true. So, in the US, breakfast can be very different for different people.
That's true.
Some people eat big breakfasts
And some people just drink coffee.
or grab something quick, like a breakfast sandwich.
Yeah, like a breakfast sandwich with egg and cheese.
Oh, those are so good.
Yes, but a little heavy.
True.
What about weekends for you now? Do you eat special breakfast?
Sometimes, if I have time,
What do you make?
pancakes or maybe French toast.
Oh, French toast. I love that.
It's sweet and soft,
With syrup?
of course, and maybe some fruit.
That sounds like a perfect weekend morning.
What about you?
I like to go out for breakfast sometimes.
Oh, nice. Like a restaurant?
Yeah, sit down, relax,
That's fun.
and order a big breakfast.
What do you order?
Eggs, toast, bacon, and pancakes on the side.
Wow, that's a lot of food.
It is, but it's a treat.
I think breakfast is also about feeling.
What do you mean?
Like it can be calm, quiet, or fun and social.
Oh, yeah, I get that.
Sometimes I eat alone and just think.
That's peaceful.
And sometimes I eat with friends or family.
That's more lively.
Yes, more talking and laughing.
Breakfast can really change your mood for the day.
Exactly.
If I eat a good breakfast, I feel ready.
Me too. I feel happy and focused.
And if I skip it,
You feel tired and hungry.
yes.
So, if you had to choose one breakfast to eat every day, what would it be?
Every day? That's hard.
You have to choose.
Okay, I think eggs and toast.
Good choice. Simple and healthy.
And maybe coffee too.
Of course.
What about you?
I think I would choose oatmeal with fruit.
That's very healthy.
Yeah, I like something light but warm.
That makes sense.
Now I'm hungry again.
Me too.
Talking about food always does that.
Always. So guys, today we talked about our favorite breakfast foods.
Yes, from pancakes to eggs to cereal and oatmeal.
And also drinks like coffee and juice.
We hope this helped you learn some new English words.
And also helped you practice listening.
And maybe made you a little hungry.
Probably.
Before we go, think about your breakfast.
Yes. What do you like to eat in the morning?
Is it sweet or salty?
Big meal or something small?
Everyone is different.
And that's okay.
The important thing is,
Enjoy your food.
and take care of your body.
Start your day in a good way.
Thanks so much for watching Easy Talk English channel.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.